State auditors accusing Governor Reynolds of breaking the law in her attempt to protect Iowans from COVID-19.
COVID-19 isn't stronger than Iowans' resolve to overcome it.
That was the public service campaign the governor launched back in November. It featured hospital officials and celebrities encouraging Iowans to avoid crowds, to wear a mask, to stay home if you're sick. State Auditor Rob Sands says more than $500,000 in federal CARES Act funding paid for these ads, and of that, $152,000 in TV, radio, and internet ads included Governor Reynolds' image, voice, and title. And Sands says those ads violate Iowa's law prohibiting self-promotion with public monies.
The use of it was a violation of the state law, which the governor signed herself in 2018. The Republican-controlled legislature passed it in 2018. If you're not going to follow the laws, then what good are the laws?
This is the law the auditor's office is referring to. It prohibits spending taxpayer money for the purpose of any paid advertisement or promotion bearing the written name, likeness, or voice of the statewide elected official. The governor's office denies any laws were broken.
In a time of a pandemic and a time of an emergency, this is exactly what you want a governor doing.
The governor's office claims the law allows it during a public health emergency exemptions to the self-promotion law. They say it allowed the governor to utilize all available resources of the state government as reasonably necessary to cope with the disaster emergency. However, that exemption also says the decision to suspend the provisions of any regulatory statute can be done by stating in a proclamation such reasons. Okay, here's where this leads to eventually. There was a proclamation issued days before those TV and radio ads started airing, but they made no mention of the self-promotion law. It does clarify that nothing contained in the declaration shall be construed as an exemption from any other portion of the Iowa Code or administrative code not specifically identified in that proclamation.